Hi everyone. So in this lesson we're gonna learn the difference between expressions and equations. This lesson is very important because many beginners mix these two ideas. And by the end of this lesson you'll clearly know which is which. Let's start simple. So an expression is a mathematical statement without an equal sign. So, an expression is a mathematical statement without an equal sign. It shows a calculation, but it does not say what the result must be. For example, let us say x plus 3. This is an expression. There's no equal sign, so nothing is being solved yet. Another example, let's say 2x plus 5. This is also an expression and it tells us what to do but not what it equals. So you gotta remember this. An expression does not have an equal sign as we have written there, right? So now let's talk about an equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that does have an equal sign. It's like vice versa, right? So an equation is mathematical statement that does have an equal sign, right? So let's take it right. So now it says that two things are equal. For example, let's say as you said like this, x plus 3, right? This is an expression, and if it equals to something, let's say 7, and it becomes an equation. Here we are saying that x plus 3 is equal to 7 because there is an equal sign and we can solve this, right? And it becomes an equation. So let's say 2x plus 5, let's say 11. This is also an equation. We are asked to find the value of x that makes the statement true. So here is the key difference. In expression shows a calculation, in equation asks a question. We gotta write this down. So expression shows calculation, but an equation, let's say, asks question. Right. So let's compare them side by side. Let's say 2x plus 5. As you said, this is an expression. So let's write down an equation of this. 5 to 11. So the only difference is the equal sign, but that difference is very important. Now let's check our understanding. Look at this, x minus 4. This is an expression and there is no equal sign. Now look at this one, x minus 4 equals to, let's say, 9. This is an equation and we can solve it. Let's do a quick example. Suppose we have the equation like x plus 3 equals to 7. We want to find the value of x, and to do that we ask what number plus 3 gives us 7. Oh yeah, that number is 4. So the solution is x equals to 4. But notice something important. Before solving, x plus 3 was just an expression. After adding like equals to 7, it became an equation. So expressions often become equations when we add an equal sign. Let's summarize the main ideas. In expression, so in expression, it does not have an equal sign, right? It also cannot be solved. So it can only be simplified. It can only be simplified. Let's move on. An equation. So an equation, it does have an equal sign. And it can be solved, right? As we did it there. So it also asks us to find the value of a variable. Let's say, yeah. So if you remember this difference, algebra will feel much clearer, and in the next lesson we'll start solving equations step by step, beginning with very simple ones. So thanks for watching and take your time with maths. Bye bye.